never waste no time, never let you go. I'ma be like Usher, give it to you nice and slow. All the girls around the world got nothing on you. You know you got it, girl. You got it. I want you to follow me, follow me, follow me.
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, well, first and foremost, I want to apologize for being gone for like 3 weeks. I did move. As you guys can see, I have a different background. I'm not living with my sister anymore. I'm living with 3 beautiful roommates. If I want to put their pictures on the screen, if they let me, I'm gonna put them on the screen because they're bad, period. But anyway, I moved. If you guys want to see, like, you know, videos of like my roommate tags, then like this video, drop some comments down below, stuff like that. I will be glad to make those type of videos in the near future. Today I definitely wanted to give what y'all wanted. I did like a poll weeks ago if I wanted to do like a you know, a full face beat, like with color and stuff like that, or do an update everyday makeup look. And the full face beat won, but I wanted to do my updated everyday makeup look first. I don't even know why I did the poll, but today, if you guys want to see how I got this look, basically the same look that I do to go out to parties, take pictures, brunch, all that stuff, because I don't really like doing colors all the time. It's like a very neutral, a nice look with like lip liner and then, you know, lip gloss, and basically kind of like showing you guys my updated like foundation routine, because I did use foundation in this video. If you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are switching over to voiceover. My eyebrows are already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that up above. I went ahead and primed my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep and Primer, and then I went ahead and set that primer with setting powder. Doing this will ensure your foundation to stay and last longer throughout the day. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 368 Deep Golden. And then I always put like 1 drop of vitamin C oil in this particular foundation, because without it, it makes it like ashy and dry looking. So once I do that, I go in with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush and I just blend everything out. And with the leftover concealer that's on my hands already for my eyebrows, I'm going in with the shade, I think it was Chesnut, and I'm going under my eyes and on top of my eyelids, on the bridge of my nose, and of course above or on the top of my lip. And I'm just going to be spreading out the concealer and blending it out with my Beauty Blender sponge. This is like my favorite part because I definitely get to hide all my dark circles.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, the half and she took the whole thing and slow down. Baby, and it's like a ghost town. Baby.
Going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just setting all the places that I set the concealer with. So under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my top lip, and on my forehead. I'm just going to set all of those areas. Then I'm going to be going in with my Deluxe Crease Brush, and this is to put some more concealer that, on top of my eyelids to kind of blend it out before I apply the eyeshadow. I'm using the Juvia's palette, the number 2. I'm going in with the three shades that I'm showing. The names will be on the screen. And I'm just gonna go ahead and basically just apply it in my crease only. And it honestly creates just a really, really natural, neutral look on your eyes. It's nothing that's too strong or anything like that. So definitely a very soft, neutral glam type of look. Now I'm going to be going into bronze up my face. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami with my bronzing brush. And I just like to, you know, go ahead and do the little duck face, the little lips, and go ahead and put that in my cheekbones and obviously on my forehead and on my nose and on the bridge, on my actual like chin, my jawbone. This definitely chisels out because I don't really contour like that, but I can bronze, honey, I can bronze. Then I'm gonna go in with another little blending brush. I can't speak. And I'm gonna go in with the red shade in the palette and use it as my blush. I'm going kind of fast, but it's because it's super simple. I just went in with a brown liner that I use for my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go in with a clear lip gloss from this wonderful Black-owned brand that I will be leaving in the description box called Glambox Cosmetics. So I'm gonna definitely leave them in the description box for y'all to check out. And then on my top lip, I go in with the NYX Buttergloss in the shade Peony. And oh my god, I love this combination. As y'all can see, like the look is just coming together. And when I center it, or when I finish it off with the Badescu Rosewater spray, y'all can't tell me nothing. I go in and I finish with, of course, my highlight. I always like to do the spray and then the highlight after because it just leaves my skin looking super glowy and dewy. And y'all will see that in the last clip when I put my lashes on and everything. Alright, I am going in with my Misfit Collections lashes, and y'all look at this look. It is super beautiful. Oh my gosh, my skin looks great, and I hope you guys enjoy the entire tutorial. Alright you guys, if you made it this far to the video, you have watched the whole thing all the way through, you're a real one. I appreciate you. I did want to give a shout out to Glambox Cosmetics. She sent me some lip products and I had to feature it in this video. This lip gloss is fire. I haven't tried the lip stain or I have tried the lip pencil. If I can insert a video of what it looked like, I will, but it's like a red, pretty red color. This is like her packaging for her company. This is the lip stain, the lip pencil. The lip pencil is like really, really buttery. So like, look at that, creamy. Do y'all see that? The pigmentation is on point. It's a very nice like cranberry red color. And then I got her lip gloss that was in the shade, I think it's Clearly. It's not written on the bottle, but this is the packaging. Very beautiful. Guys, definitely check out her business. I will link it in the description box for you guys to check out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through. I love each and every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
Come on.